Okay, I'm going to do an update on my Panasonic 200 CFM ERV. One thing I don't like is the cost of the filters. This filter here, it's about $120, I believe. I'm going to take that filter out. I have a filter box. I'm going to put in this inlet line. I have PVC to about here, and then from here over it's just galvanized ductwork. So I'm going to disconnect it at the PVC, put my filter box in. I have it insulated. I'll tie the bat insulation or ductwork insulation into the inlet and outlet. Keep it all nice and tight so it doesn't condensate. Get condensation build up on it. And then obviously take this out, get all this dirt cleaned up in here so it doesn't get into my core, and hopefully save a little money on filters. Alright, got the filter box installed. Pulled the filter out of the unit itself. That's how you change the filter in the filter box. Pull this pin out. Pull down the cover. It's got a little tab here to help you pull it down, but it kind of falls out on its own. Put it back in. back in so it doesn't fall out. And you're good to go. So as far as sizing and airflow are concerned, the CFB-6 takes a 14 inch by 14 inch by 4 inch filter. That's rated at, the MERV 13's rated at 440 CFM. My unit's a 200 CFM unit, so even on the max airflow, it's got plenty of capacity, so I don't have any concern there. I got the unit running. I can't tell any difference on amount of noise when you're at I keep it at 200. Well, I keep it at 120 supply and 100 exhaust. Typically I just cranked it up to 200 and 200. I mean, I can slightly hear it. It's not anything that you'd be able to hear upstairs or through the ductwork. That noise you hear in the background's my VFD drive well controller. So yeah, overall I'm happy with the conversion to the auxiliary filter box, removing the internal filter, save on the filter costs. The 14 by 14 by 4 inch filters for that unit, I ordered them from, that one's got bent in shipping, but yeah, you can see there it's 14 by 14 by 4, MERV 13. Ordered them from HVAC Quick, and they run, I want to say $13 a piece. I know they're not more than 20. So yeah, over the life of the unit, that should solve the only concern I had, was the price of the filters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.